Essential Maintenance Tankless Water Heater Flushing Kit Review. Why maintenance matters. To ensure your home remains efficient, maintaining your tankless water heater is non-negotiable. Over time, mineral scale buildup can degrade performance and significantly shorten the lifespan of your unit. Today, we are reviewing a comprehensive tankless water heater flushing kit designed to make this essential DIY task straightforward and effective. This professional-grade kit provides a complete system to flush out sediment and maintain optimal heating performance. If you want to keep your system running like new, you can find the product link in the description and the pinned comment below. What's in the box? Hardware and specifications. The heart of this kit is the 16 HP submersible sump pump. This energy-efficient motor is equipped with thermal overload protection and operates quietly while delivering a maximum flow rate of 1100 GPH. It features a 10-foot power cable and has a maximum head lift of 16.5 feet, ensuring plenty of power for a standard household flush. In addition to the pump, the kit includes a durable 3-gallon pail for mixing your cleaning solution, 2 6-foot PVC hoses, 1/2 inch diameter equipped with washers for a leak-free connection to your isolation valves, 2 pump adapters for versatile connectivity, an ergonomically designed bucket lid opener with an anti-slip grip to save you from the struggle of stubborn lids. Ease of use and setup. One of the standout features of this kit is how quickly it connects to your existing system. Setup is remarkably simple. You mix 1 gallon of water with 1 gallon of vinegar or a biodegradable cleaner inside the 3-gallon bucket. The hoses are designed to connect directly to the tankless isolation valves. Once the pump is submerged and the hoses are secured, the system circulates the solution through the heat exchanger to dissolve scale. The 1.5 amp motor is designed for reliability and can handle fluid temperatures up to 95 degrees F. It is a portable, small-scale solution that brings professional results to the average homeowner. Final verdict and peace of mind. Regularly using a kit like this helps extend the life of your heater and prevents costly emergency repairs. For those who prioritize long-term home maintenance, this all-in-one package, model SUB1100KIT02, is a solid investment. If you are ready to tackle your next home maintenance project, check the link in the description or pinned comment for current pricing. Additionally, this product is backed by a voluntary 30-day return guarantee, allowing you to buy with confidence. Thanks for watching. Keep your home running efficiently, and I'll see you in the next review.